Hey everybody, Kirk from Prismatic Powders. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our Illusion series of powders. They're quite possibly the most user-friendly line of custom powder coatings on the market. They deliver the look of the more advanced two-coat candy systems, but with the ease of just a simple base and top coat. Illusion colors work by using a properly applied top coat to bring out the color in the base coat. Some of the points that we're going to be going over today are mill thickness, tip selection, flash times, and the importance of doing a sample piece prior to starting your production work. Today the colors we're going to be working with are Illusion Violet and Illusion Blueberry with a clear vision top coat. Again, you can use any top coat with the Illusion series of colors. Okay, we're going to get started here with the Illusion Violet and get this piece of tubing sprayed out. Try to get it nice and even. Target mill thickness about 2 to 3. Spray it out nice and even here, and then once we're done here with this, then we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven, flash it, and really pay attention to that gel time and how long it takes, because once it starts to gel, we're going to let it go about 2 minutes, and then we're going to pull it and see what it looks like. You'll be surprised at the transformation. Okay, a couple of things. We're going to get started here with the Illusion Blueberry, but I wanted to mention that because it's a metallic, and like all metallics, using a fluidizer is going to be advantageous to you because it helps the metallics achieve proper suspension within the whole of the mixture, and that just improves the look of the finish. Keeps everything nice and uniform. Also, your tip selection. I'm using a slotted tip, which works fine, or fan tip, which works fine for this piece of tubing here. But depending on your project that you're doing, you might wish to use a different tip. And indeed, you may switch tips midstream, just depending on the part of the project that you're doing. So don't be afraid to do that. Again, we're shooting 2 to 3 mil thickness here. That's the target mill thickness. And then we're going to move on to the flashing of these parts in the oven. And this is very critical because what we're going to do is we're really going to watch for gel time. And once it reaches that gel point, then we're going to let it bake 2 minutes. It's kind of the magic number there for the most brilliant color possible. This, for best results, it's 2 minutes after gel out. So I'm going to do that, pull it, let it cool down, and then apply our clear vision. Okay, so here we have the Illusion Violet all sprayed out, and it's flashed, and as you can see, there's not really even a hint of purple in there. And this is usually what triggers that panicked email or panicked phone call where people are wondering what happened and what they did wrong. Well, the only thing they did wrong is they didn't apply a top coat. The top coat is what activates the color. There is no other base coat that is necessary. The Illusion coat is the base coat, and then again combined with a properly applied top coat, you get the nice rich color. Now as we come over here and look at the Illusion Blueberry, you can see this, now that it's gelled out, it's got some color to it. It's not how it's going to look, but you can see it's a bit different where the Illusion Violet had virtually no color, just a silver. This does have some blue, but it does not have the depth that it's going to have once we put that top coat on there. So now we're going to apply the clear vision after the parts have cooled, and once that is complete, then we will return them to the oven for a full and final cure. Alright, we've pulled the parts from the oven. They're cured and they are cooled off, and you will see the end result is much different than what they looked like previously. The brilliant color has come through. It looks nothing like it did with the base coat. Of course, with that Illusion Blueberry, it did have some color to it when it was flashed, but it's nothing like it is now. So a nice, deep, rich color. Again, it looks like a more advanced two-coat process, but it's actually a really simple to spray out colors. So there's really no reason why you can't achieve this. Pay attention to the technical data sheet guidelines. There's application steps in there. Follow those, and there's really no reason why you can't get these same results. As always, we do recommend spraying out a sample piece or two prior to starting any production work. That way you know what to expect when dealing with unfamiliar colors. So if you'd like to check out our full line of Illusion Series colors, of course you can find them at prismaticpowders.com. Thanks for watching.